This is a model showing your knee here. So this is the knee joint, and where one of the locations that we find hyaline cartilage will be at the articulation surfaces of long bones. So you can see here's one of the ends of the long bones. Here's your epiphysis with spongy bone, full with red bone marrow, again over here. And the blue here is representative of the hyaline cartilage found along the articulating surfaces of the long bones. Now, we also said that the knee meniscus was a site for fibrocartilage. So here, the gray discs here, those are your fibrocartilage.